Hello. This one is a short video on how to switch between worksheets, and worksheets and workbooks are different because one workbook contains up to 200 odd worksheets. And so if you look at this one, you have sheet 1, sheet 2, and we could just have a lot more than this. And the way you switch between worksheets is easiest done on your keyboard, and the way you do it is you press and keep pressing Control key, and with page down you move right hand side, and with page left you move back towards the left. And that's pretty much the easiest way to do, I think. Alternatively, you can just click on them and it will do the same thing. Alternatively, you can go into Home and you can do Find and Select, and you can go into Go To, and you can have a very long and convoluted way of getting to sheet whatever. I suggest you do not. So yeah, do use Control page up, page down, please. That's the easiest. Any questions you may have, drop a comment, and the next one's going to be new worksheets and deleting worksheets. Thank you.